Geeks! I'm Avalon and I'm 7 years old. Today we're gonna make bread that looks like a pumpkin. Why? Because it's almost Halloween and it's fun. So let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is put our bread attachment on this thing. Make sure you keep your hands out of the bowl. That's very dangerous. Always be safe, really safe when you're baking. Don't climb on the table and mess with the cameras. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the bell. Okay, I'm gonna put my flour, sugar, and yeast in the mixing bowl. This thing's heavy. Let's check the temperature of the milk. 110, perfect temperature. Woo, woo, woo! Let's put the milk and the flour in mix. Mix for 1 minute. Now we just have to wait. And turn it off. Now add in your olive oil and salt. Now mix for 5 minutes on number 5. Wait, there's no number 5 on here. On 1. Yeah. Mix for 5 minutes. Yes, I know it has been more than 5 minutes. It's just because it needed more time. Taste test?
Sure.
How do you know if it's done mixing? If it's stretchy, it's done. Ready?
All right, so now we're gonna roll this into a ball.
Take all the edges and put it in the middle like you're making a square flop. Ta-da! It's a perfect ball. Now put it in a bowl with some olive oil. And then you're gonna put a nice cozy blanket. Go, go, go to sleep. Go to sleep. The bread. Okay, time's up. Get the checker bread out. Did you have a good nap? Yes, I did. And then, voila! Smells so fresh and good. Now we're gonna divide this in 2.
All right, I'm gonna have to help you from now on, okay? Remember what we did before when we take all of the edges and put them in the middle?
Oh yeah. It's just like yours.
And then Mommy comes in and just makes it a little bit tighter, cause you're just a kid and sometimes
No, I'm
you
not.
need a little bit of help. You're not just a kid?
No, I'm 7.
Oh.
Yes, I'm 7 years old. I'm a big kid.
Oh, okay.
I'm not a little kid.
Look at that tight skin. That looks great.
Okay, get your pan. Now get your string. Now we're gonna make a pattern of our strings. This way, this way, this way. Ta-da! Now let's take our bread, take this big fat baby and put it right on top. Now we're gonna brush it with egg wash.
I hope you get those last little bits. You did a really good job, Avalon.
Now we're gonna tie the strings. There we go. We're making this like a pumpkin, so that's probably why we're doing this. Now we're doing it again. I have to do it by opposites. This kind of reminds me of tie-dye because you do this with a shirt. One more and
Time for some mommy help again. We're gonna make little V's going down the side. Do, 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 do. See, but they don't touch. Okay?
Yeah.
We'll do it together because this is very sharp. Okay? So we do one here. Oop. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
It kind of looks like some wheat. Done. Okay, now into the oven. The bread. Ta-da! It looks tasty. Now we're gonna move all the streams. It looks just like a pumpkin. Let's flip this baby over. Now you gotta put in a stem. Your bread's complete. Now you gotta eat it. And you gotta pull the stem out. You have to cut the top off. And you take a big scoop of those seeds and nom. Okay, time to taste it. Nom, nom, nom. It's warm and buttery and so good. Triple thumbs up. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell. See you guys next video.